Hi everybody, today we're going to look at two problems where we do some metric conversions. Remember, metric conversions occur when we have the same base unit but different prefixes in front of that base unit. Here we have two problems. The first is how many nanometers, which is abbreviated NM, are in 264 centimeters, which is abbreviated CM. Right, so we need to go from nanometers to centimeters. The easiest way to do this is to go through the base. All right, so to start, we identify our starting unit and then our ending unit. So I'm going to start with 264 centimeters, and I'm going to convert first to the base, which is just a meter. And I know, based on my understanding of the metric system, that 1 meter contains 100 centimeters. So there's my unit equality, which I've rewritten as a conversion factor. I choose to put the centimeter on the bottom because I want to cancel the centimeter from my initial amount. All right, now I'm not finished because I'm looking for nanometers, and right now I'm only at the meter. So now I need the equality between nanometers and meters. And I know that 1 meter contains 1 times 10 to the 9th nanometers, a lot. All right, I'll check. My meters are going to cancel. My centimeters are going to cancel. And so all I'll have left when the problem is over is nanometers. All right, so now I'm just going to get my calculator, and I'm going to multiply 264 times 1 times 10 to the 9th, which is going to give me 2.64 times 10 to the 11th, and I'll divide that by 100, and I find that my 264 centimeters contains 2.64 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9th nanometers. All right, now remember the scientific notation that you need to put in your nanometer conversion factor. All right, if you have problems with that, make sure you reach out to your instructor so they can help you. Each calculator is a little bit different. All right, now I'm going to slide down to the problem below. How many kilograms, kg, contain 2,356,000 micrograms, which is UG. Now, micrograms, for some reason, I can't get the micro, but it usually looks like this. We just use a U here because it's a little bit easier on the iPad. All right, so again, I'm going to start with what I've been given, 2,356,000, whoops, one more zero, micrograms, and I need to convert first to the base unit, which is the gram, and I know that 1 gram contains 1 times 10 to the 6th micrograms. All right, again, having the microgram on the bottom is going to let me cancel. Now I need one more conversion factor, going to kilograms, and I know that 1 kilogram contains 1,000 grams. And again, I set the conversion factor up so that the units are going to cancel. All right, when I'm finished, all I have left is kilograms in terms of units, so I've at least set the problem up correctly. All right, now for the calculator, 2,356,000 times 1, whoops, divided by 1 to the 6th, and then divided again by 1,000, gives me an answer of 2.356 times 10 to the negative 3rd kilograms. You could also write this 0.002356 kilograms. They mean the same thing. All right, so that's just an example of how we use conversion factors, which come from our unit equalities. All right, just as a reminder, this conversion factor is coming from our unit equality, where we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. We place the meter on the top and the centimeter on the bottom here for that cancellation between the unit in front and the unit you're trying to move to. All right, same thing down here. This is also put together through a unit equality where 1 whoops. Oh, I can't write down here anymore. Oh, sorry. 1 gram is equal to 1 times 10 to the 6th micrograms. And again, this unit equality can be written as I've done here with the gram on top and the microgram on the bottom, or reverse, depending on what I'm trying to cancel. All right? So in the end, you should have answers that are reasonable. We go back and check. A centimeter is larger than a nanometer, so it makes sense that I have more nanometers than I did centimeters to start with. All right, for my other calculation, all right, a kilogram is bigger than a microgram, so it makes sense that my microgram number is larger than my kilogram number. Hope that helps.